It's awfully dark.
It's awful dark. Yeah, it is too dark.
If I put my glasses on, it'll be lighter. What do you think?
It is too dark. Can you make it lighter?
I don't know.
Of course you do it there.
Where's Sierra?
It'll work.
Where's Sierra?
I don't know.
E minor. Just D, E minor, C, and G.
It's like the orchestra before they start playing, you know, they're all warming up.
That hurt.
Everybody tune up. A.
Bless you!
It was Aeroplane over the sea. Mark Rodell.
I felt like 2 more.
If I get sick though, you're gonna hear about it.
I'm gonna kill you. Why do you do that?
My battery runs out.
Where is she?
She must be out there. She got
I didn't see her. I was just walked out.
Okay.
That piano playing's good. Can this group pick up our voices now?
Yeah. I know. I get that too.